Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your math teacher and this is grade 5th math. So in the last video we have discussed the basic concept addition of 5 digit number. So in today's video we will learn subtraction of 4 digit numbers. So let's get started. We have already seen how we can subtract 2 digit number. So in today's video we will learn subtraction of 4 digit numbers. So the first step is that to write the number one below the other. Subtract 8765 minus 6454. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So now in this case we should be careful as to which number to write on top and which number to write on bottom. So I need to subtract this number from this. So bigger number on top, smaller number at the bottom. So your bigger number is 8765. So I have written 8765 on top. Next smaller number at the bottom 6454. So 6454, 6454. So 5 minus 4, 1. We should always start from ones. So 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. 8 minus 6, 2. So 2311 is the answer. 2311. So this is the answer. So this is subtraction of 4 digit numbers without borrowing. So let us take one more example without borrowing. 6679 minus 5315. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Tens, hundred, thousand. So now in this case we have to be careful as which numbers write on top and which number to write on bottom. So 6679 minus 5315. So I need to subtract this from this. So first I will write this number, next this. First I will write this number 6679 minus 5315. So 6679 is bigger number, so I have written on top. Next to 5315 is smaller number, so at the bottom I have written this. Okay, so this will come at the top, next to this bottom. Okay, we can subtract this. So we should always subtract from ones. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, so subtraction of 4 digit numbers. Answer is 1364. 1364. So this is subtraction of 4 digit numbers without borrowing. Now subtraction of 4 digit numbers with borrowing. So subtraction of 4 digit numbers with borrowing. So subtract 5473 minus 2285. Same. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay. So as this number is bigger, so I write on top, and this number is smaller, so I write at the bottom. So 5473 top, 5473 on topmost. Next 2285 at the bottom, as it is smaller number. So 3 minus 5, we have to do here subtraction. So we always start from ones. So 3 minus 5 cannot subtract, so we have to take borrow. From 7 we will take borrow, so this becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now this 7 becomes 6. So 6 minus 8 we cannot subtract. So we have to take borrow from 4. So now this becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now this 4 becomes 3. So 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. So our answer is 3188. 3188. So this is subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay. So one more example we will take. Subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing. Okay. So ones, tens, 100,000. Okay. So we write bigger number on top. So 9853 on top. Smaller number 8686 at the bottom. 8686. So 8686. So here we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus 6 we cannot subtract. So we have to take borrow from 5. So this becomes 13. So 13 minus 6, 7. Now this 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 8 we cannot subtract. So again we have to take borrow from 8. So now this becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now this 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. So our answer is 1167. 1167. So this is subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing. Okay, so this is the answer. So in today's class, we have learned subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrowing, with borrowing. And we have taken one more example, subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. So as it is, you have to do subtraction of 5-digit numbers with borrowing, without borrowing. But you have to take your own examples and you have to solve this. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers with borrowing and without borrowing. You have to take own numbers and you have to solve it. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.